What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, I'm your boy OMG, and today is sort of an apology. I'm the worst YouTuber ever. I hit 100 subscribers. I didn't thank you guys yet. I want to thank you guys sincerely from the bottom of my heart. I really do. Like, one of my first goals was to reach 100 subscribers. Long-term goal is 1,000. So yeah, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Likes, comments, and everything. As you see, I try to get back to you. I just want you to know, the reason I haven't been making many videos is your boy need a new computer. I've had the same Mac since I was in college, and it needs RAM upgrades and just overall upgrades for being old. Like, it's the original like white Mac with the smooth round edges, if any of you are Mac fans. But I've been pushing that, and it just works so slow. You know, you upload things and it just takes forever to try to edit anything, and then once you add so much, the audio goes away. And so I've pretty much been stockpiling my footage, and my plan is to get a new computer, and once I do, I'm gonna edit everything, and I'm gonna be dropping videos on you guys through the winter. We hit the winter months now. It's November. It's my least favorite time of the year, and the least I figure I could do is give you guys something to watch while we're going through this winter cold months together. But yeah, let me get into what you guys can expect from future episodes, and just like run off a list of things that I've kind of been recording and everything, and you know what you can expect. And I'm gonna need y'all help too, so let's get into it. I made a little list in case, you know, I forget some things and everything. But as far as videos that I stockpiled up on, we hosted a Halloween ride out where we went out to Philly. That was a blast, absolute fun time. Not the biggest pack of people, but we got live out there, so I'll be making a video about that. A-Racer is big on my to-do list. So they did an update. I'll be making a video about the update. Most importantly, I'm gonna backtrack and reconfirm a lot of information that is kind of he say, she say out there, and what you should and should not be doing. Go over the things in the app and the A-Racer world that aren't even for a Z or a Grom. I talk specifically about the Z125 or Grom when I do my videos. If you got a different bike and it has other features, you may be able to use the other features of the A-Racer, but I'm gonna specifically talk Grom Z125 life. Another idea I've had is, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram or not. If you don't, go ahead and follow it. Name's right there. It's the same as the YouTube channel. I started to get wheelies, and I kind of want to do a noob's guide to how to wheelie, because I feel like there's a lot of idiosyncrasies that all, the good and big riders out there don't hint on or don't talk about because they got it. And the fact that, like, I literally just got this within the past, like, 5-6 months, I'm, like, fresh to the idea and can kind of hone in on some things. And even talking to recent buddies, I tell them things that I figured out, and they're like, yo, I've never heard anybody explain it like that. So I want to give that to you guys, too. So I'll definitely be making those videos. I'll also be making my weekly once-over videos that I referenced in the video that I did on my brakes, I believe it was. I did a whole revamp on my brakes, and essentially my weekly once-over is every week I go over Ruthie and I tighten up and make sure everything is proper with her, so that way when I'm out here stunting or going on rides, I don't have to worry about breaking down. I don't have to worry about having any issues, period. I bring a little toolkit with me just in case anything happens, but I usually try to make sure everything is prim and proper. So I'm gonna go over everything that I do personally prior to going on any ride out or, hitting a huge stunt lot session. And lastly, I'll probably just go through what exactly is in Ruthie now. It's been a while since you've seen her. She's got some upgrades now. She's got some changes, and I'm actually excited to show you. And I'll go over the things from like engine changes to physical changes, decals, whatever. Anything I've done to her, we'll go from head to toe. Essentially like a stock to not type deal. Like, what was the stock? And then what all have I done to it? Because it surely ain't stock now, that's for sure. But we're gonna get into all of that, and I'm excited to make the videos for you guys. Like I said, I just need a new computer, and I'm a working man. I don't get paid from YouTube. I mean, hopefully in the long run, maybe I might get paid from YouTube. And to be honest, I'm gonna just pour all the money right back into y'all, because I like doing this and having fun. And if I can go and have fun and have y'all come with me to have fun. Like even local subscribers, like if I come to a point where I have the financial capability to like drag you along with me for like a video event or a ride out event or something like that, I have no problem doing that. Like I got a big heart and I'm willing to give. So that's kind of what I'm looking for this whole thing. I'm hoping to grow and build a name, and then growing and build a name to use that to benefit our community, especially the stunt world now that I'm getting into it. And just like essentially long term, I want to have a stunt lot like they had skate parks back in the day for us to practice in. There's no reason why we shouldn't be able to make that an idea, but I'm not going to get into that. But this is where I need y'all help. What do y'all want to see? Like going into this winter, like I said, I'm recording videos, I'm stockpiling and everything, but what do you guys want to see from me? Anything. If I can do it, I'll try to pull it off. Anything. Toss a comment down there. Let me know. If I can try to make a video about it, I will. I have no idea what to do. Like I said, I've been thinking about it. The one series I thought about was A Noob's Guide to Wheelies. That's as far as I've come, as far as ideas. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. But I'm not going to ramble on in this video. I'm actually home on my lunch break. So until next time, I'm your boy Alec G. Definitely comment below. Share this video. Like, subscribe. Let's grow this community a little bit more. Let's get big together, people. Like, that's all I want to do. I just want us to be living the life that we've always dreamed of. So until next time, I'm your boy. Get at me.